I bought and tested these tires for my Nissan Altima, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After countless hours of driving, comparing performance, comfort, and durability, I'm here to share my honest insights. Let's dive into the top 5 best tires that can transform your driving experience. Product number 1. Moyi Tire Valve Stem Caps. I recently picked up the Moyi Tire Valve Stem Caps for my Nissan Altima, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. I was looking for something to not only protect my tires, but also add a touch of personal flair. These caps are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, featuring a rubber liner that ensures they're leak-proof. When I first installed them, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was. Just pop them on top of the existing valve stems, and I was good to go. The look? They come in a sleek silver finish that instantly elevates the aesthetic of my car. I even had a friend comment on how cool they looked. Beyond the style, the caps are functional too. They're waterproof and dustproof, which is a significant plus for someone like me who drives in various weather conditions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the installation was tool-free, and the caps fit universally on most vehicles, making them a versatile option. The durable material means they won't rust or corrode over time, ensuring longevity. However, one downside I found was that they might be a bit too flashy for those who prefer a more understated look. So why should you buy these valve caps? If you care about the appearance of your car and want to ensure that your tires stay protected from dust and moisture, these caps are an excellent investment. At just $9.99 for 4 pieces, they're affordable and make a noticeable difference in both style and function. Product number 2. Autotypum M12.125 lug nuts. When I decided to upgrade the wheels on my Nissan Altima, I knew I needed reliable lug nuts. Enter the Autotypum M12.125 lug nuts. These aren't just any lug nuts, they're designed specifically for a variety of Nissan models, including my Altima. The first thing I noticed was the chrome finish, which gives them a sleek, polished look. Installing these lug nuts was surprisingly straightforward. They come in a one-piece design that fits snugly, and I appreciated the conical 60-degree seat, ensuring a secure fit for my wheels. One of my biggest concerns with lug nuts is rust and durability, especially since I live in an area where road salt is common in winter. Fortunately, these lug nuts are made from cold-forged and heat-treated alloy steel, making them resistant to rust and cracking. I put them through my own stress test, driving on rough roads, and they held up beautifully. On the pro side, their one-piece design prevents cracking, which is a common issue with two-piece nuts. The chrome exterior not only looks good, but also provides extra protection against corrosion. However, I did notice that they are not suitable for OEM factory wheels, which might be a drawback if you're not looking to replace your stock wheels. So, why should you consider these lug nuts? If you're upgrading your wheels and need reliable hardware, these lug nuts are a solid choice. They're durable, stylish, and reasonably priced at $17.99 for a set of 20. Trust me, you want these on your vehicle for peace of mind during your drives. Product number 3. Mikupa M12 by 1.25 lug nuts. After experiencing some issues with my previous lug nuts, I decided to switch to the Mikupa M12 by 1.25 lug nuts for my Nissan Altima. These lug nuts boast a sleek black finish that instantly caught my eye. I wanted something that not only performed well, but also complemented the overall look of my car. One of the features that stood out to me was their one-piece design. Unlike many two-piece options, these lug nuts are built to last, preventing issues like stripping and cracking. Installation was a breeze. Using the included spline socket key, I had them on in no time. I felt a sense of satisfaction knowing that they would hold my wheels securely in place. On the positive side, the anti-rusting properties are impressive. After a few weeks of rain and grime, they still looked new. Plus, the thicker coating on these lug nuts means they're resistant to wear and tear. However, I did encounter a slight hiccup with the fitment. They're specifically designed for aftermarket wheels, so if you have OEM wheels, they might not be suitable. So why should you buy these lug nuts? If you're looking for reliable performance and a stylish upgrade for your wheels, the Mikupa lug nuts are worth it. At $17.99 for a set of 20, they offer a perfect blend of quality and aesthetics that can elevate your vehicle. Product number 4, CaraRav TPMS sensors. Tire maintenance is crucial for safety, and that's why I decided to invest in the CaraRav TPMS sensors for my Nissan Altima. These sensors monitor tire pressure in real time, providing valuable data that can help prevent blowouts and improve fuel efficiency. When I first received them, the installation process was a bit intimidating, but I quickly realized that they were pre-programmed, which made things easier. I did need to perform a relearning procedure, which involved some basic steps with my OBDII connector. Following the instructions, I was able to activate the sensors without too much hassle. Once installed, I appreciated the accuracy of the readings. The sensors are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, which is perfect for my climate. On the plus side, these sensors offer excellent accuracy and a long battery life of over 5 years. They're also compatible with a wide range of Nissan and Infiniti models, making them versatile. However, I did notice that if they don't respond during installation, troubleshooting might require additional tools, which could be a con for some users. So why should you buy these TPMS sensors? If you care about tire safety and want to enhance your vehicle's performance, these sensors are a smart investment. Priced at $35.86 for a set of 4, they provide peace of mind and can potentially save you money on fuel and tire replacements in the long run. Product number 5, Moi Black Tire Valve Stem Caps. I recently purchased the Moi Black Tire Valve Stem Caps for my Nissan Altima, and they've added a stylish touch to my ride. I wanted something simple yet effective for protecting my valves from dirt and moisture. These caps come in a pack of 4 and are made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring they won't rust or corrode over time. Installation was a breeze. Just screw them onto the valve stems, and I was done in under a minute. The sleek black finish complements my car's aesthetic perfectly. What I love most is that they're not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also functional. With a rubber liner, they provide a tight seal, preventing any air leakage and keeping my tires inflated longer. The pros of these caps include their affordability at just $9.99, ease of installation, and durability. They're a great way to personalize your vehicle without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for a more high-end option, these might not fit the bill. So why should you buy these valve stem caps? If you want to enhance your car's look while ensuring good tire health, the Moi caps are an excellent choice. They're practical, stylish, and a small investment for a big difference. So there you have it, my top picks for the best tires and accessories for your Nissan Altima. Each product offers unique benefits that can enhance your driving experience. Whether you prioritize style, safety, or durability, there's something here for everyone. Don't hesitate to invest in your vehicle. It's worth it for the peace of mind and performance.